Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get Renown fast in Crusader Kings III. To begin, understand that Renown is a crucial resource for your dynasty, directly impacting your family's power and influence across the map. It's essential for unlocking powerful dynasty legacies, which provide significant bonuses to all your family members. Gaining Renown quickly strengthens your entire lineage, making your playthrough much more successful. The primary way to earn Renown is through independent rulers within your dynasty. Each independent ruler, especially those holding powerful titles like kings or emperors, contributes a significant amount. Additionally, family members holding high-level titles, even if not independent, provide a smaller but consistent Renown bonus. Strategic marriages can also create new independent branches, further increasing your Renown income. To maximize your Renown, actively encourage the formation of cadet branches. These new branches, once independent, will contribute to your overall dynastic Renown. Always strive to place your family members in powerful positions, such as kings or emperors, even if they are not your direct heirs. Furthermore, arrange advantageous marriage alliances that can lead to your dynasty members inheriting or claiming independent titles. Finally, always educate your heirs for strong diplomatic skills, as this can indirectly boost your Renown through better alliances and more stable realms for your dynastic members. Try to avoid disinheriting family members unless absolutely necessary, as this can reduce your overall dynastic strength and potential Renown generation. Remember, a strong, widespread dynasty is key to consistent Renown. Also, for other great deals and the link to those amazing darn tough socks with a lifetime warranty, check out the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.